soles of my shoes are worn, the knees of my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission, I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission, I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. When you look into my eyes, you know you're gonna see that fire. If you're standing in my way, it ain't gonna be your day. Bleeding till I own this dream, build it like you've never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission, I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission, I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. Won't wait another minute, no I won't. I won't wait another minute, no I won't. I won't wait another minute, no I won't, yeah. I won't wait another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission, I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission, I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing.
Well done, bruh. Well done. What are you doing, Geordie? Got one? Go, go, got the clappers shot. Oh, good pass. Looks like a cop winner. Good fish, Jono. Redo. Swing him around. He's a smasher too. Bring him in, mate. Don't tighten it too much, bro. Back it off and let him run. Drag him up. Don't snap your rod. But up this way before it falls off, Trav.
A new day, the game has changed, the pieces.
Hey buddy! Got your tape measure there, big fella? It's not really worth measuring, but it's my only fish so far, so might as well.
350.
350. Oh, you only say that because you're
No, that's 350.
Oh, big one! Bring him in, Strobs. Oh!
Celebrate, let's roll. It's our fate. It's time. Celebrate. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life.
You want to tape him?
Beat me right now. I can imagine he must be on that.
Yeah, we're on fire. One chance, our only dance, and we got plans for something better. Stand tall, we'll have it all.
Add another one to the list, bro. Holy juice. Right there. It's about 43 and a half. Not bad. Not bad for an old fella, eh? What do you got? Call that 370? Yeah, about that. Yes. Not bad for the old boss man.
Responsible bloody jackal.
Yeah, would that be a treat?
Welcome to the good life.
Oh, good bass. Oh, yeah, boy. Wanted that bad boy.
Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life.
Oh, Wayner. Oh, I only measure to the fork. I used to do comps.
You said you wanted.
Oh, pick up your rubbish. That's all it is, trash talk, Wayner. Pick it up. Congratulations. Another year, pal.
Thanks, brother.
Better luck next year for the rest of us.
I appreciate all you fellas coming to make this possible. Just ruined it for you, didn't I, buddy?
I'm stepping into fate. There is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made.
The loser of the competition right here.
Catch the smallest fish of the trip. You gotta pick flowers for everyone else's misses. Maybe one day we'll get better at straw.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, get creative.
No straw.
Oh yeah, it's probably a good enough bunch.
This is how legends are made.